Hi! In front of me is Cubot X19 S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Then click on the search bar, type Magic Fluids. And download this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and click on I accept. Following that, adjust your wallpaper however you want to. And click at the top right corner. Then bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner and select Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. So now when I go back, I can start my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!